DC-DC power supply, applications and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at DC-DC power supplies. This video will look at topics such as principle of DC-DC power supplies, types of DC-DC power supplies, applications and benefits of a DC-DC power supply, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding DC-DC power supplies. Key concepts of DC-DC power supplies. Selecting external components based on properties. Coil selection in DC-DC power supplies. Inductance value selection. Diode selection for DC-DC power supplies. Load capacitance for DC-DC power. Input capacitor in DC-DC power systems. External transistors for DC-DC power systems. DC-DC power MOSFETs. Bipolar transistors in DC-DC systems. Base resistance. Speed-up capacitor. Functionality of a DC-DC power supply. Factors to weigh when choosing a DC-DC power supply. Isolated versus non-isolated models. Regulated versus unregulated voltage outputs. Mounting and packaging options. EMC and EMI issues. Safety criteria. Frequently asked questions. What is the primary function of a DC-DC power supply? Which components are critical in designing a high-efficiency DC-DC converter? How do you choose the best topology, buck, boost, or buck boost, for a DC-DC application? What factors affect the efficiency of DC-DC power supplies in practice? Where are isolated DC-DC converters commonly used? What mounting and packaging options are available for DC-DC power supplies in industrial settings? Chapter 2. What are the different types of DC-DC power supplies? Non-isolated DC-DC power supply types. Buck converter. Boost converter. Buck boost converter. Cut converter. Charge pump. Isolated DC-DC power supplies. Flyback converter. Forward converter. Choosing the right DC-DC converter for your application. Chapter 3. What are the applications and benefits of a DC-DC power supply? Applications of a DC-DC power supply. Benefits of a DC-DC power supply. Drawbacks of a DC-DC power supply. Specifications of DC-DC power supplies. Efficiency of DC-DC power supplies. DC-DC current rating. Temperature rating of DC-DC power supply. Ripple voltage. DC-DC regulation. Transient response. Voltage rating. Size and weight. Mounting and package choices. EMC and EMI concerns. Safety requirements. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right DC-DC power supply manufacturers for your needs.